In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly in Webflow, step-by-step guide. Add a booking system fast. We're going to take an existing Calendly event and place it directly on a Webflow page so visitors can book time without leaving your site. This is quick, clean, and requires no extra plugins, just a small embed snippet. First, open your Calendly dashboard and head to your event types. Pick the specific meeting you want visitors to book, like a discovery call or a demo. This matters because the embed will reflect that exact event's duration, availability, and questions. If you manage multiple events, double check you've selected the one you actually want to feature on your page. Next, look for the three dots or the More Options menu beside that event. Click it to reveal additional actions. From there, choose Add to Website. Calendly will open an embed panel that shows you a few different ways to place your scheduler on a site. Select the Inline Embed option. This places the scheduler directly in your page layout so it looks native and doesn't pop up over your content. Calendly will generate a small code snippet for you. Copy the entire snippet, everything it gives you, so you have both the script and the container. If you see a preview within Calendly, that's just a reference. The real magic happens once we paste the code into Webflow. Now switch to Webflow and open the page where you want the booking flow to appear. Add an embed element to the canvas and position it exactly where you'd like the scheduler to live, inside a section, container, or any layout block that fits your design. This is what controls the placement and width of your scheduler on the page. Paste the Calendly code into the embed editor, then click Save and Close. In the designer, you might see a placeholder, which is normal. Use Preview to see it in action. If the widget feels too narrow, place the embed in a wider container or adjust your layout's max width so the scheduler has room to breathe. The embed is responsive, so it will adapt to different screen sizes. And that's it. Your Calendly is now embedded in Webflow. You've connected your scheduling directly to your site, reduced friction for visitors, and created a smoother path to booking. Great job, and congratulations.